I want to explain importance of the activities in the Bible club. During a club meeting, children love playing and they need to do something that is practical. You can use, if you are using the mailbox books, you can have some colors or some things that can be practical for the children to do. During the Bible lesson, after teaching the whole passage and inviting the children, you need to help them do some things in a practical way. They need to relax and they need to do some games that should be included in the issue of activity. Some of these things can be used as visual aids in the next lesson. You prepare the things first. You prepare those things in a practical way before, and then when the children get involved in it, you teach them and you remind them their objective. Like hide and seek, play. You need to prepare small plays for the children. You teach them the plays, and then afterwards you are able to remind them the objective that you had during the Bible lesson. So visual aids usually help in the activity, and they can be prepared during a previous Bible lesson by the children, so that next time when you want to present another Bible lesson, you can use the visual aids that you prepared in advance. So during the activity is usually something you choose to involve the children practically, because they cannot spend the whole hour just reading the Bible passage. They need to get involved in activities that will continue to teach them about the very passage that you were speaking about. They should be marked very well and be presented to the children. And you should also check on their age groups. The activity will usually depend on the age group of the children. And during the Bible lesson, you introduce the activity, and still during review, that is when the activity gets on and you continue to revise what you've taught them during the Bible lesson.